Turning out to be a good day for Tata Group of Companies. Just a coincidence, it's been a good week for pharma and a good day for Tata Group of Companies. Susmit Patodia now joins us. Susmit, thank you for joining us. I was looking at the pharma stocks and how an average pharma stock is up anywhere between 50 to 60% in this year itself. Do you think for pharma, this is beginning of a multi-year bull run, or this is frenzy which is likely to blow up anytime soon?
I don't think it's a frenzy, Nikunj. Good afternoon. Firstly, most importantly, hello. Yeah, most importantly, I think this is the beginning of a multi-year bull run. It has got all the makings of it. I think from 2010 to 14, you saw these companies make a lot of money from the other markets, and after that, they had a struggle for 3-4 years, and now they have come back. And focus on the domestic market is really helping the profitability of these companies. I think as US FDA eases up, you will see that leg of the pharma earnings come through as well.
So, what is the best way to understand which is a good pharma stock to own? Because it's not like a homogeneous basket. Very diversified, very different pipeline, very different product offering. Numbers from Dr. Reddy were great, but numbers from Lupin were not great. How does one figure out which is the best one and which is the one to avoid?
What we do is we look at what the management is focusing on. So if you look at most of the companies that have done well in the recent past, these are companies which have either resolved their US issue or have at least done all the basic work and now waiting for the US FDA to come in and check. So if you look at the Ipcas of the world or the Reddys of the world, that is what they have been doing. Now, with nothing much that you can do but wait for US, these companies have started focusing on India. And that is what is the key, according to us, for the next 5-10 years, that the domestic pharma market is going to explode in this coming decade. And that's the framework that you should use, which is look for pharma companies which are focusing on the domestic market, and either they don't have a US FDA issue, or even if they had, they have taken the necessary remedial steps and are now waiting for the inspection.
Sure. As I see on my screens, you've got an RBL Bank, Apollo Tyre, Tata Consumer, which has shot up a solid 7%. You've got an SRF as well, which is holding up 7% roughly as I speak. Century Textiles, it's really the return of mid-caps that's been the prominent market feature that one has seen this week. Gaurav Bisa, let's talk about Tata Consumer, because this is one stock which has seen some serious wealth accumulation from the March lows. It's gone up more than 100 times the stock price. Where is it headed next? At 519, is there still opportunity to buy into the stock for those looking at a medium-term time frame, you think?
If you look at Tata Consumer, then you'll see it had, like you said, it had a consolidation. It gave a breakout of all levels of 395, 400, and then the good thing was it retested the levels of 400, and then we saw an upward trajectory coming in the name. So that was a good place to buy. But if you talk about levels of 520, 525, I think this is not the right time to buy, for the only reason that yes, the volume participation is good, the candles are very strong. However, the supports are coming in much deeper towards the level of 470. So the risk would not be too favorable, but yes, sending it towards a level of 480, 485, or maybe 490 for that matter. One can buy, keep a stop loss of 20 points, and on the upside again, 525 is what we're expecting. It's a good stock in the momentum, but for now, one should wait for a dip and then buy.